The most obvious outward feature is the integral molding of unique mounting lugs to the valve body. These lugs provide two benefits. When used as a manual valve, they provide an easy method of anchoring and supporting the valve and piping, thereby removing stress at the valve joints. Also, they provide a cost-effective and simple method of panel mounting. And equally important, these mounting lugs are the basis of the simple and unique mounting of the True Blue pneumatic and electric actuators. The machining of the bore for the valve shaft or stem is done to both remove the inherent knit line and out-of-round condition that exists from the injection molding process and to produce a consistent surface finish. A counterbore is added to assure for proper dimensions for the Teflon thrust bearing. These machining steps dramatically improve cycle life and performance. Plastamatic is the only manufacturer to use a PTFE Teflon shaft bearing on its stem that provides for lower friction and lower torque at high pressure, and eliminates the inherent galling that's created when two thermoplastics are rubbed against each other. The precision machining of shaft O-ring grooves assure the proper amount of O-ring squeeze. Two shaft O-ring seals are used to drastically extend the cycle life of this critical sealing area 5 times better. They also provide for better shaft alignment. This shaft insert, while assuring that the ball is kept centered during cycling, is also the key to keeping the ball locked or blocked when the valve is closed and downstream components are disconnected. Unique to True Blue is our metal reinforced shaft. Historically, the thermoplastic shaft has been the weakest link of a ball valve and prone to snapping or shearing as the result of excessive torque. When a thermoplastic ball comes off the mold, it is not perfectly round due to uneven cooling and shrinkage. Plastamatic machines the ball into a perfectly round sphere. It is then polished to help reduce both friction and wear on the Teflon seats. The True Blue ball valve uses 2 sliding seats that are free-floating inside the valve body. The True Blue sliding seats incorporate O-rings behind the PTFE Teflon seats to energize them against the ball surface and provide cushioning during cycling to reduce friction and operating torque. They also compensate for wear of the Teflon seats over the life of the valve. Plastamatic takes the extra step of precision machining or facing off the molded end connectors to assure consistent sealing against the sliding seat O-rings. The flat surface of the end connectors could have molding waves or knit lines that could cause leakage if not faced off. The movement on the dial of this height indicator shows that the surface of the competitor's end connector is not flat. The Plastamatic end connector is flat. Another major and unique benefit of the sliding seats and trunnion mount combination is that the True Blue ball valve is the only thermoplastic ball valve that can provide internal seat adjustment via external union nut tightening. That's correct. If, as the result of considerable cycling, the operator notices that the True Blue is no longer providing bubble-tight shutoff with the valve in the closed position, he can simply uniformly tighten the union nuts by hand. No tools necessary.